Have you ever inspired a friend to try something new? Today's word is about the power to change thoughts or actions. Welcome to Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is influence. Can you say it with me? Influence. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-N-F-L-U-E-N-C-E. That's influence. Influence means the power to affect how someone thinks or acts. Here are some words that mean the same as influence. Say them with me. Affect, like music making you feel happy. Guide, like a teacher showing you the right way to solve a problem. Inspire, like a friend encouraging you to try your best. Sway, like changing your mind after hearing a good reason. Shape, like your coach shaping how the team plays together. Each one shows how influence means affecting choices or actions. Now let's look at the opposites of influence. Resist, like saying no to peer pressure. Block, like stopping someone from moving forward. Oppress, like holding someone back unfairly. Ignore, like not paying attention to someone's advice. Avoid, like stepping away so you can't be influenced. That's the opposite of influencing. Here's a great example. Sophia's kindness influenced her classmates to be nicer. Let's review the power to affect how someone thinks or acts. Synonyms: affect, guide, inspire, sway, shape. Antonyms: resist, block, oppress, ignore, avoid. Influence is powerful. It can inspire others to make good choices. Your challenge: influence a friend by recommending a fun game or snack you like. Bonus points if they try it. Great job, you influenced others in a positive way. Keep being a positive influence, explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sophia.